One blustery day in the 100-acre wood, a little bear named Winnie the Pooh set off in search of honey.
Look, Mama, look! I'm coming!
Hang on tightly, Roo.
Happy Wednesday.
First over, and now this.
Whee! This is fun!
Goodness gracious.
Oh, right, we have 11.
What a wonderful dream.
Wake up, Pooh. Wake up. Wake up, Pooh.
Oh boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh.
Happy birthday, Roo.
I do hope you like my gift, Pooh Bear.
I've never seen so many presents.
Hope you like my present. Presents for Pooh. Oh, that was fun. I'm sure